Welcome to a day in the life of a salesperson with Newspaper Manager. Here is a quick demonstration of how Newspaper Manager creates sales efficiencies by saving time and increasing productivity for sales reps. First, we'll take a look at the salesperson's homepage. The homepage has a colorful, easy-to-use dashboard that makes it easy for salespeople to access all of the key information they need to manage their day. Here's a quick overview of the page. The sales homepage has a calendar, a list of today's calls and meetings, quick links to your flat plan, sales run sheet, production run sheet, task list, sales goals, and complimentary copies list. Below, we have a list of all of our sales opportunities and a chart of each person's year-to-date bookings, goals, and proposals. And below that, we have an activity chart of each salesperson's calls, meetings, and emails. Next, let's show you how easy it is to do some of the common functions that salespeople execute on a daily basis. First, let's show you how a salesperson would line up their calls for a day. Let's start by going to our search page. Our sales rep wants to call all doctors that they have not contacted in the last 30 days. So, they use our powerful search engine to pull up the category of doctors, and they use our activity search to pull up all of the doctors that they have not called in that date range. The activity search allows them to filter by multiple activities, including calls, meetings, and notes. They execute the list and then decide to save the search as a list so that they can refer back to it over the course of several days. Our powerful list building tools allow them to quickly build and save a list. Now that we have our list, let's see how Newspaper Manager's unique customer relationship tools allow your sales reps to work that list more quickly than any other publishing CRM. First, let's flip our display into split screen mode. This is a feature unique to Newspaper Manager. Split screen mode allows you to see the critical information necessary to quickly work your way through a list of calls while leaving notes in our notes section. From our notes section, we record calls, schedule callbacks, add tasks, and see all notes, including emails that have been sent and invoices that have been billed. Now, let's open up a record and take a look at what a full contact record looks like. The Newspaper Manager has the most comprehensive customer information page in the publishing industry. Note the colorful, modern user interface with all of the information you need about your clients on one page. There are over 300 potential fields of information about your customer. Unlike our competitors that require a half dozen clicks to access this data, you can see all of the data with your Expand All button that shows all of the fields. This page allows you quick access to contacts associated with a company, address information, order history, billing and receivables information, as well as an unlimited number of custom fields. Some users may not want all of this information to show. Again, Newspaper Manager is unique among publishing CRMs in that you can customize your customer pages to show the information you want in the order you want. Our edit screen allows you to quickly drag and drop or remove informational headers as you see fit. On the right side of the page, we have the most powerful notes tracking function in the publishing industry. You can easily record and track notes, calls, emails, meetings, and tasks. And our robust search and filtering system allows you to view all notes history and filter your contact information by 8 different criteria. The customer page can also provide some great tools to prep for meetings. Need a quick client cheat sheet to prepare for a meeting? Print out all of the critical information about that client with one click, and off you go. Another unique feature to Newspaper Manager is our data append and email verification tools. Newspaper Manager uses outside data sources to automatically append social media accounts to your contact page. Newspaper Manager is also the only publishing CRM that has automated email verification. Once a month, our proprietary email verification tools test your email addresses to verify if they are valid or invalid. If an email is valid, it will appear with a green checkbox. If the email is invalid, it will appear with a red checkbox. This saves your sales teams countless hours that might have been lost calling the wrong person, and allows your sales reps to keep your database clean. Now let's take a quick look at Newspaper Manager's email functionality. Newspaper Manager offers 3 different ways for sales reps to email their clients. The first is for single emails using your email service. Newspaper Manager launches your email program directly from our CRM page, and you can send out emails with the click of a button. If you would like to send emails out in small batches that appear to be individualized emails, Newspaper Manager has a unique batch Gmail functionality. By clicking the Gmail icon, you can choose a template from our template editor, and then send out small batches of emails through your Gmail system. These have the advantage of looking like personalized emails. This is a feature unique to Newspaper Manager. Lastly, if you want to send out email in larger batches with full opt-out compliance, you have the option of using our free MailChimp integration. This option gives you the ability to send up to 10,000 emails for free each month with the free version of MailChimp. There is no better price than free. And speaking of batch functionality, let's take a look at the other batch functions that Newspaper Manager provides to save your sales reps time. Using our batch update tool, you can select from a list and then batch update the following fields: notes and activities fields such as calls, meetings, and notes, the category field and assigned groups, the priority status, the sales rep, and the country and zip code. Additionally, you can add to groups, create lists, and export records using the same functionality. Well, that's everything for this video. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, and we will show you everything the Newspaper Manager has to offer.